Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone S19 Pro with new Oriental aesthetic design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.78 inches 1.5K punch hole display. Resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93% screen to body ratio, approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 wide-angle camera, with support OIS optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 2x optical zoom telephoto camera with support OIS optical image stabilization, and with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with ring LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel wide angle front camera located in centered punch hole with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.35 GHz single-core Cortex-X3 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, paired with a Mortalis G715MC11 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB, 16 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 3.1. Onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.16 by 74.93 by 7.58 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options gray, misty blue, green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 80-watt flash fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo S19 Pro has been priced in China for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,299 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,799 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo S19 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.